Mastering self-organization and time management for teaching professionals. Introduction: the power of time in the teaching profession. Introduction: in the realm of education, time is your most precious resource. As a teacher, the demands on your time are relentless, from planning lessons and grading papers to meeting with parents and mentoring students. Effective self-organization and time management aren't just skills. They are essential tools that empower you to succeed, reduce stress, and ultimately foster a more enriching educational experience for your students. Let's explore actionable strategies and tips to help you manage your time effectively and precisely organize your responsibilities. The importance of self-organization and time management in teaching. Impact on student outcomes. Your ability to manage time directly affects your students' learning experience. When you're organized and efficient, you can dedicate more time to creative lesson planning, personalized instruction, and providing meaningful feedback. This, in turn, enhances student engagement and academic success. Stress reduction. Teaching is a demanding profession, and without proper time management, it's easy to become overwhelmed. Effective organization helps you stay on top of your workload, reducing the stress that can lead to burnout. Professional growth. Good time management allows you to carve out space for your professional development. Whether you attend workshops, read educational literature, or collaborate with colleagues, these activities contribute to your growth as an educator. Common time wasters in the teaching profession. Here are a few. Overcomplicated lesson planning. Excessive time spent on lesson planning can be a significant drain. Aim to streamline your process by using templates, sharing resources with colleagues, and focusing on each lesson's core objectives. Procrastination. Putting off grading, planning, or administrative tasks until the last minute can lead to unnecessary stress and decreased quality of work. Develop a habit of tackling tasks as soon as possible. Inefficient communication. Whether it's lengthy email chains or unclear instructions to students, efficient communication can save valuable time. Be clear and concise in your communications to avoid misunderstandings and unnecessary follow-ups. Unnecessary meetings. Not all meetings are essential. Evaluate whether a meeting is necessary before committing your time. I suggest alternatives like email updates or brief check-ins. Here are 15 suggestions, thoughts, ideas and tips for self-organization and time management. These are in 5 slides and each slide has 3 suggestions or tips. Prioritize your tasks. Focus on what matters most. Daily to-do lists. Start each day with a prioritized list of tasks. Identify and tackle the most critical activities first, ensuring that your energy is spent where it matters most. The Eisenhower Matrix. Use this simple tool to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus on urgent and essential activities, delegate where possible, and minimize time spent on tasks that don't contribute significantly to your goals. Weekly planning. Dedicate time at the start of each week to outline your goals and tasks. This will help you maintain a clear vision of your priorities and stay on track throughout the week. Streamline lesson planning. Quality over quantity. Lesson templates. Develop a set of templates for different types of lessons. This will not only save time but also ensure consistency in your teaching approach. Collaborative planning. Work with colleagues to co-create lesson plans. Sharing resources and ideas can significantly reduce the time spent on individual planning. Focus on core objectives. Avoid overcomplicating your lessons. Concentrate on the key learning objectives and design activities that directly support these goals. Efficient grading. Balance speed with quality. Rubrics. Create detailed rubrics that outline grading criteria. This will speed up the grading process and provide students with clear expectations. Batch grading. Grade similar assignments in batches. This method allows you to maintain consistency and reduces the cognitive load of switching between different types of tasks. Peer review. Incorporate peer review sessions in your classes. This will save you time and encourage students to think critically about their work. Optimize classroom management. Smooth running from start to finish. Routine and procedures. Establish clear routines and procedures for your classroom. When students know what to expect, daily operations run more smoothly, saving you time managing behavior. Use technology. Utilize classroom management software to track attendance, monitor student progress, and communicate with parents. Automation frees up time for more critical tasks. Delegate responsibilities. Assign classroom roles to students. This reduces your workload and fosters a sense of responsibility and leadership among your students. Personal time management. Recharge and refocus. Scheduled breaks. Plan regular breaks throughout your day. Short pauses for rest and reflection can boost your productivity and help maintain your focus. Time blocking. Dedicate blocks of time for specific activities like planning, grading, or professional development. This approach helps you stay focused and prevents tasks from dragging on. Self-care. Incorporate activities that promote your physical and mental health into your schedule. Self-care, whether exercise, meditation, or hobbies, is essential for sustaining energy and enthusiasm. Conclusion. Effective time management and self-organization are not just about being efficient. They are about creating an environment where you can thrive as an educator. By prioritizing tasks, streamlining processes, and taking care of yourself, you can transform your teaching experience and create lasting positive impacts on your students. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch videos on family businesses, self and time management, and workplace skills. Stay informed and stay successful. Look for Basheer Juma on YouTube for more insightful videos. For in-depth knowledge, check out his books on Amazon. Books in Urdu language are available as gifts at basheerjuma.com.